G'day everybody, this is Sega on behalf of MupahCorp. Today we're just going to run through some of the normal operations that I do to keep on top of component production and withdrawals and ship manufacture. First of all, we've got some jobs probably to finish and log some componentry jobs, so I'm going to run over to my character here. So we've got 3 jobs ready to go. Component production here, so we've got the 8000 Fernite Carbide composite armor plate, they're ready to go. We go down here, that's not ready to go, that's ready to go. Sorry, that's meant to be a 1. And this one's ready to go. As you can see, these are yellow. These formulas need to be turned into values so that they don't change. Copy here is values. Now you can, and then press V. So what I'm going to do now is take these values and log it in to the MID sheet. Now I'm gonna just do that over there. Now what else I've got to do? We've got some ships that need the components withdrawn. Okay, so we've got the Rook, the Sacrilege, the Zealot, and the Tyrannus. Now you can see these are all jobs that are waiting here for the withdrawals, also signified over here by this cross. All dynamic, of course. I don't need to go in and put that cross. Now I'm going to go over to the far left here. Now this column here, importantly, you do need or job codes. I like to have job codes so that I can always refer back to single jobs and look at them independently. So I've got an S474, 479, 480 and S481. Now these have been requested, had their withdrawal requested, so I'm going to go over here. As you can see, 474, 5 of at material efficiency 0%. They are ready to go out on the side here. Now, when it comes to withdrawing, what I like to do, I'll get the job codes, run over to my tools page. I'm going to put them in the order prepper, and what happens next is it tells me the number of components that go into those jobs. When it comes to withdrawing this, I'm going to pop over to my component character again here. What I would point out to you guys is that I've shaped the window here big enough that I have room for 7, right? I have room for every item across. When it comes to withdrawing, I'll show you how I do it. All I'm going to do here is go shift and drag. So I select shift and then I click that, I drag down, right? And then I say over here, I need 81. Using the number pad, very easy there. Now that'll work itself out. Fusion thrusters, 146. 1446, 146.
Linear shield emitters, 874. Nano-electrical microprocessors, 3620. Radar sensor clusters, 548. Tesseract capacity units, 1019. Tungsten carbide is 10,914.
Game's running pretty laggy today, thanks to the Australian internet. Alright, now I'm going to pop that into the item hanger. Now they have been withdrawn, right? They are no longer there. And then we go across to our Caldari components here.
We're going to need 481, 35, 999. So we're going to go up here. We're going to go 481, 481, 30, 59,
46. Now I would encourage you guys to really get used to using your number pad. It's a bit clunky the first time you use it, and you can actually make some pretty dire errors if you're using your number pad in a market sense. You can accidentally press enter and before you've put in your zeros and stuff and really mess yourself up. I've done that far too many times. 291, but once the number pad does become fluid, you're going to save yourself a lot of time. We're going over to the Galente components now. We're over here. Let's have a look. We need 2250. Alright. Now just reminder here, all I'm doing is I'm holding shift, clicking, so left clicking the item that I want to split and dragging, right?
rely on thrusters. 150. 375. 600.
So they are all correct. I'm gonna get them, pop them in the item hanger. Now, as you can see guys, we've got the components ready to be transferred across to the ship manufacturer. So I'm gonna get them, create a contract, just item exchange, and give them to, in this instance, Gazer Mupah. Alright, thank you so much for being here. I hope that this video has brought you just a little bit of value. We'll be breaking down other elements of MupahCorp operations in other videos, so do come and check them out. But for now,
MupahCorp.